Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a passkey on Roblox Mobile to keep your account extra secure. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Roblox app on your phone. And once you are on Roblox, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to simply scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings, tap on Account Info. And here you will see an option that says Add Passkey. Just tap on that. And then tap on Continue. And now enter the password of your Roblox account. And then tap on Verify. And then tap on Continue. And now confirm your fingerprint or your Face ID. And that's it. Your passkey is now active, meaning you will be prompted to enter it whenever you log in or make certain changes to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.